Okay, so hi. In this video, I will be showing how to create a mail merge. Mail merge is quite actually simple. What you need to do is first create your template. For my template, I've used one that I found on the internet. I made a sample one, which might not be just perfect, but it's just to create an example. I did one for a job application. So what you want to do in your letter is always have a letterhead. Here, I used the Champlain St. Lawrence letterhead, and what I did is created a table with the people that I wanted in to send my letters to. So recipients table. Here I just forgot to put my space in between. So now I will show you how to get started on this. So first you click to mailings, you go to start mail merge and step by step mail merge wizard. So here it will ask you what you want to do. In this case I want to create letters, so I just let it like this with the letters chosen. So next, starting document. Now you want to use the current document. And then for the mail merge you have to create you have to create a new list. I've already created my list. Here it is. I've got 4 recipients who will receive my letter. I've just put some random information. I just put what came into my head at first. So here it is. I put all the information that is needed. So after this is done, you go to your letter, you add an address block, a greeting line. Then in my letter I write title, first name, last name by using the insert merge field. So here, as you can see, I could go right here, take off physicians and then add title. Okay, so this would give me the title of the person who I am applying for. So next step is to write your letter. As mine is already written, I can skip this step. And finally, you will be able to edit individual letters. So just by clicking on edit individual letters, make sure that all is selected and clicking OK, it makes automatically for me all my 4 letters for all 4 of my recipients. So here I have scientist John Michaels, here philosopher Philip Bond, here soccer pro Lionel Messi, and my first one was Dr. George Forbes. So here, this is how you do a recipient list. Okay, so now I will show you how to extract a range from a table of data. So here I've used the same table as before in my Word document for the mail merge letters. So here is my table. This is where I have all my information, and then what I want to do is extract the criteria, meaning here I put anyone less than 40. I could have added like 4 criteria to make it if it was a bigger list, but since we only have 4 people, well, we can just put 1 criteria and the extract range will be given after. So what you want to do when you create your table is to copy this part here and come paste it here. Then you change your title for criteria range, and you have to make sure to select from A2 to K2, and here in the corner in the name box come write criteria. Once this is done, repeat the same step for criteria range for the extract range. So you would copy this, come paste it here, change the name to extract range, and then you want to select from A15 to K15. Here you have to make sure this is extract. So for the extract range. Now this is simple. Once you have your criteria range, you can have the extract range really easily. So first, you go into data. In data, there is sort and filter. What you want to select is the advanced function. So the advanced function will show you the list range, the criteria range, and where you want to copy it to. So my list range is from A7 to K11. So from here till here. So containing all my information on the possible table of data. Here my criteria range is from A2 to K3, and what this is what I want to find in my extract range. So what you want to do to have an extract range, you want to click copy to other location, and here the extract range is from A15 to K16. So if we click OK, this will give us this data, and if we check in our chart, the criteria range was less than 40. We have 1 and 2 people are less than 40. Scientists John Michaels and philosopher Philip Bond. And here we have scientist John Michaels and philosopher Philip Bonds. Now this could be really helpful for a business, as they can use the table of data from many clients and select a few criterias, maybe like the place they come from, or if they want to select a certain market, well, they can know where every place are situated. And then for different clients or different employees that they have made tests with, they can see their results, as we did for one Excel, I think chapter 6. We had a table of data containing results from employees. I think 120% was a gold medal, and then 75% was a silver medal, and under 75 was a bronze medal. And then with this table of data, what you could do with your criteria range is select a certain percentage, so that you can find everyone that have gold medal or a bronze medal. Therefore, it shows you who are your most performant employees. And this is it. I think the extract range and criteria range from a table of data is really useful for a business. And same thing for a mail merge. Mail merge can be used by any people who want to apply for a job, or a company that is sending out letters to many clients. It's a really easy way to do it. It's much faster than entering information all the time for different clients, and there is way less chances of error when redoing the letter 100 times. So thank you for your attention. Hope you have enjoyed.